Welcome to the PCM 6.0 playlist. As part of this playlist, I'm going to show you guys a lot of very cool features that come with your new Porsche. So what does PCM stand for? Well, it stands for Porsche Communication Management, and that's that main infotainment screen that's on the center console of your Porsche. So what Porsches come with PCM 6.0? Well, it starts with the Taycan in model year 2020. Now, some of the other models didn't receive PCM 6.0 until model year 2022, and that includes the 911, Cayenne, as well as the Panamera. Now, as part of this playlist, I'm going to show you guys some things that are as simple as connecting your phone to the PCM and hooking up Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for all those model year 2022 or newer vehicles. How do you display the battery temperature if you have a Taycan in your instrument cluster, and why that's important, as well as how do you customize your My Screen or your home screen of your PCM 6.0. These are just a couple of the videos that you'll find down below. So we'll see you guys in the videos.